Good night. Could you tell me about yourself? I am efficient, organized, and assiduous. Okay, next question. Why do you want to work with us? I have followed your history during the last years. I am surprised by your way of working. For that reason, I want to work your company. Okay. What are your strengths? Uh, I am a creative person who likes to be working with others. I consider that the teamwork is fundamental to get good results. And your weakness? I am restless. I always like to be doing sometimes, but I am working to change. Finally, why did you leave your last job? I need new challenges to grow professionally. Thanks.